Why? My body won't respond the way I want it to.
As the result of his brainwashing, he has even forgotten about his old scar. How fortunate. Kilia! Zeroken! Now's your chance!
Gotcha. Let's go, Zeroken. Ultimate demon technique. Final skill. Avidia Holy Water. I knew it. I can't do it by myself. Zeroken.
Yeah! Leave it to me, bro! Whatever. It's too late to turn back now. I don't care anymore! Let's go! Master! Goldion! The Great Demon Fist! Please wake up with this! Ultimate Demon Technique! Final skill! Avidia Holy Water!
Is that it?
Hey, Zero! Stop with the super jokes! You're supposed to finish him off here!
Christo, our plan failed. Let's retreat.
If that's the final technique that we were expecting, then we have no choice. All right, retreat.
Damn it! I'm such a...
At this time, Demon Emperor Void Dark had effective control of over 70% of the entire Netherworlds. Even Explocution, after fighting unaided against the Demon General, fell at this time. The damage caused in the region of Explocution was never officially counted, but later historians believe over 10 billion Netherworlds fell in its wake.